Dear students, in the previous classes we have already studied about the trigonometric ratios and their relations and also learned how to solve the problems by using trigonometric ratios. Now today we will learn about the angle. So what is an angle? I think you know very well about the angle once we remember about the angle. So what is an angle? Angle is a measure of rotation of a given ray about its initial point. Angle is a measure of rotation of a given ray about its initial point. See here, rotation of a given ray. Rotation of a given ray. Now what is ray? What is ray? What is the definition of ray? Now see, I will draw here a ray. Now ray is a part of line. That is, ray like a line which is having only one end point. Which is having only one end point. See here, only one end point. So it is called a ray. Now rotation of a given ray. Rotation of a given ray. See here, we need a rotation of the given ray. We need a rotation of the given ray. We can rotate the given ray in two directions. One is clockwise direction. One is clockwise direction. Second one is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now measure of rotation of a given ray. Here, if we rotate the given ray through some distance, then we will get the final position of the ray is like this. The final position of the ray is like this. Okay. We rotate with some measure. Now here a measure of rotation. How much rotation we did here? We did this much of rotation. This much of rotation is called angle. This much of rotation is called angle. Okay. So a measure of rotation of a given ray, that is how much rotation we do with its initial ray, that much is called an angle. That much is called an angle. Now from this angle we need to know about three things. One is initial side of an angle. Initial side of an angle. Second one is terminal side of an angle. Terminal side of an angle. Third one is vertex of an angle. Vertex of an angle. Okay. Now what is initial side of an angle? What is initial side of an angle? Here we have the angle. In this angle, this is the original ray. This is the original ray, that is given ray. This given ray is called initial side. That is initial side of an angle. This is angle. This is initial side of this angle. So it is initial side. Initial side. So the original ray is called initial side of an angle. Now what is terminal side of an angle? Here if we rotate the given ray, the final position of the given ray is there. That is called terminal side of an angle. That is the terminal side of an angle. That is, after rotating the given ray, the final position of the ray is called terminal side of an angle. This is terminal side. Terminal side. Now that is, after rotating the given ray, the final position of the ray is called terminal side of an angle. Now what is vertex of an angle? What is vertex of an angle? The rotation of a point. That is, this is the So we rotate this end point. We rotate the angle in this end point. So this end point is called, this initial point is called vertex. This initial point is called vertex. So the rotation of a point is called vertex. This point is called vertex of an angle. That is, the rotation of a point is called vertex. That vertex is called vertex of an angle. That point is called vertex of an angle. Now, here we learn about the initial side of an angle, terminal side of an angle, vertex of an angle. Now, we will learn about the positive angle and negative angle. That is positive angle. Positive angle. This is negative angle. Now, I take the ray here. Here also I will take the one ray. We know that if we rotate the ray in two directions, one is clockwise direction, another one is anti-clockwise direction. If we rotate the given ray to rotate in anti-clockwise direction, we get positive angle. That is, whatever the angle is formed, that angle is called positive angle. If we rotate the given ray in anti-clockwise direction, whatever the angle is formed, that angle is called positive angle. That angle is called positive angle. Now we will see the negative angle. If we rotate the given ray in clockwise direction, whatever the angle is formed here, that angle is called negative angle. That angle is called negative angle. Negative angle. So, if we rotate the given ray in clockwise direction, the angle is formed, that angle is called negative angle. I hope you understand about the angle. Now, this angle is measured by three systems. One is sexagesimal system. Second one is centesimal system. Third one is radian or circular system. Or circular measure. So, this angle is measured by three systems. One is sexagesimal system. It is also called English system. Second one is centesimal system. This is called French system. The third one is radian or circular measure. So, these three systems we will learn in the next class. Okay.